Hi, I'm Vidya Shankar. I'm from Kavali, Nellore district, Andhra Pradesh. I completed my engineering in RMK College of Engineering and Technology, Puduvail, Tamil Nadu. After coming out of my college, I choose MSc. Here I was so better. I have grown not only academically, personally also. MSc teaches C, C++, Linux internals, microcontrollers. So, which is the latest microcontroller, which helps students not only theoretically but also hands-on experience. I believe practice and consistency is the main factors to achieve anything, not only in studies. So, assignments and projects are also a type of testing your caliber. So, these are the most important things. Saying theoretically and learning is different, and doing project is different. So while we are doing project, we'll understand the concept and also it will be practice. I completed 6 projects from all modules. At least one project I did from each module. And coming to the interviewers, interviewers asked projects like how these projects are helpful in a real-time applications. So here in MSc, they will give projects so that it will helps to the real life. I attended 10 interviews. In that, there is a company named Marelli. In that company, I placed. Before MSc, my knowledge is completely nil. And after joining here, they will give tasks like in terms of assignments, projects, and so on. Not only these two, they will give extra work also, which daily you will work, practice, and consistency also will be there. Focus on work and do it consistently. Don't expect result. Everybody will have time. Some people will get easily, some people will get so late, but don't compare with others.